Hi everybody. I'm going to show you an example how to create a spinner. So spinner um, is just like a combo box in Java. What it does, it holds a predefined list for you, and when you click it, it will only show you it will only show you the item from that list. So let me give you an example. See, this is electronics, toys, clothing, milk, household items, and food. I cannot choose anything other than these 5 items. So now I choose clothing, I get the clothing. If I want to choose toys, I can get the toys. So this is what we are going to implement in this video. So I already created the class and everything. I'm just going to explain in this video. So first, I'm going to go to my activity post. Over here, I have a linear layout. And in this linear layout, it holds 2 items. One is text view, the other one is spinner. So the text view is only helping the spinner for the show the category, and this is the spinner. Um, Spinner has an ID so that I can use that ID for the reference later on. So ID is spinner category. So so first thing first, we have to get the ID first. So we create a variable and find view by ID, and you know all this stuff. Now I have to create an adapter for the spinner because adapter hold the spinner item, and it also hold the predefined layout because spinner needs a layout. You can make your own layout or you can use Android layout that is already predefined. You just use it. If you want to make a layout that's a little bit difficult, but you have more flexibility. Uh, but in this example, I'm just going to use the simple predefined layout. So my adapter, I create this adapter. Adapter holds 3 items actually. One is context, one is predefined layout, and the other one is the list I created. And this is the list that will populate the spinner items. So I created this list here. And then after that, you set the adapter with the predefined layout just to show it in when it render in the screen. And after that, you set the spinner dot set adapter. But in Kotlin, we don't say it set adapter. We just call it adapter. But to do something, in order to get some action from the spinner, this is what you have to do. Spinner dot on item selected listener. Um, and this is just like in Java, we call new anonymous object. Instead of that, we implementing this interface, and we call it through object, and then you write down these things, and it will implement two um, two methods. One is on nothing selected, the other one is on item selected. We don't need this top one, but you still have to have it in your activity, but you don't have to implement it. But you need this one definitely. So now, when you select an item, the item value will be written here. So I create a var, spinner value, and this is going to hold the string. So what it does, it it get from the adapter and also from the adapter position the value. So now it has the string value. Now whatever I want, I can do it over here because it's a local variable. It's not gonna do anything from outside, and I need to call it from outside. So that's why I created another variable, uh, same name, Uh, this is a member variable, same name, but at the um, top of the class, so that everybody can see it. So now you see the spinner variable. I'm gonna delete this word. Now everybody can see this variable because this is a member variable, but it's not defined in here in the method. It's defined up. So now all I have to do is just create a toast, and that's it. So I'm gonna write something here. And I'm going to choose, instead of toy, I'm going to choose clothing. Let's see what happens. Now if I hit submit, it's going to show clothing. Yep, this is showing clothing.